Mike the Puppet Enterprises Incorporated presents
Boomerang Bro steals people's junk food / Grounded.
Hi, I'm Boomerang Bro, and today I am going to steal people's junk food. So, here I go.
Hey, that's my popcorn.
Hey, that hot dog is mine.
Get your own chips, you freak.
Come back here with my Oreos.
Hey, give us back our pancakes right now.
Hey, give us back our ice creams right now.
How dare you! Give me back my waffles right now!
What the? Give me back my chili dog.
Excuse me. That's my chocolate bar.
Hey, get your own Doritos Decepticrete.
Hey, come back here with my burrito.
Excuse me. I was in the middle of eating my nachos.
Hey, those aren't your golden Oreo mini sandwich cookies.
No fair. Give us back our donuts.
Hey, give me back my cotton candy.
Excuse me. That bucket of chicken legs belongs to me.
Hey, get back here with my slice of pizza.
Excuse us. We are in the middle of eating our cookies.
Hey, that's our burgers. Give them back to us right now. Where do you think you are going with our fries?
Hey, get your own onion rings.
Hey, we are in the middle of enjoying our pies.
Hey, nobody lays a finger on my corn dog.
Oh no you don't. Boomerang Bro. How dare you steal my friend's junk food. That's it. I'm calling Fi Bro, Curve Bro, and Bone Bro about this. Hello Fi Bro, Curve Bro, and Bone Bro. This is Black Yoshi speaking. Boomerang Bro was stealing my friend's junk food. Can you please ground him for this? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye.
When Boomerang Bro got home.
Boomerang Bro. We just got off the phone from Black Yoshi. He said that you steal people's junk food. That's it. You are grounded for 995 months.
As for your punishment, you will no longer eat junk foods. You will eating healthy foods from now on.
Get your butt to your room right now, young man.